We are starting the quadratic functions, graph of the quadratic functions. Walaikum assalam. Ali Muhammad. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, super small. One, zero. Must inform Razaul Mustafa. He must write his ID, otherwise he will not be entered. Razaul Mustafa. Anyone may send the message in the group or personally give the message. Okay, today our topic is quadratic functions. Quadratic functions in two variables. Because we are we are doing the graph today. Uh, Quadratic functions in two variables. Quadratic functions in two variables. Usama Nazir. Anyone may send the message to Razaul Mustafa. He or she must write his ID, otherwise he will not be allowed. So today we are doing the quadratic functions, quadratic graphs in two variables. So just like ax square plus by square plus cx plus dy plus k or is equal to k plus k is equal to 0. Just like that. There are two variables and there may be x square and some constant x square plus some constant y square plus some constant x plus some constant y plus k. So such type of functions are called quadratic functions, where the power of x and y or x or y is equal to 2. The power of x and the power of y, or the power of x only or the power of y only, must be equal to 2. So such type of functions are called the quadratic function. So this is a quadratic function. So we will study the quadratic functions, some particular quadratic functions. First one is the circle, then the parabola, hyperbola, and ellipse. These functions, these quadratic functions. If a and b, the coefficient of x square and the coefficient of y square are equal, if the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square are equal, such type of functions will be the functions of a circle. First, if a is equal to b, a and b are equal. That means if a is 1, b should be 1. If a is 3, b should be 3. If a is 1, 3 upon 4, b should be 3 upon 4. That the coefficient of x square and y square are equal. If the coefficient of x square and y square are equal, that will be the function, that will be the equation of a circle. Razaul Mustafa. Osama Abrar, Razal Mustafa. Abdullah Shakir. Osama Abrar. Okay. If in this equation A and B are equal, then it will be the equation of a circle. Okay. If A and B are not equal, but both are positive. If A and B are not equal, but both are positive. But positive. It will be the equation of an ellipse. If A and B are not equal, but both are positive. For example, A is 2, B is 3. If A is 5, B is 11. If A is 1 upon 2, B is 7, etc. So they are not equal but positive. So this will be the equation of an ellipse. So this will be the equation of an ellipse. The third case, either A is negative or B. I may write any one of the two is negative. Then it will be an hyperbola. If A and B are equal or not equal, but one of them is negative, one of them is positive. Either A is negative or B is negative. then the equation will be of hyperbola. And now the fourth case, either A or B is 0. या तो इसमें से A 0 होगा या B 0 होगा, कोई एक इसमें से 0 होना चाहिए. It will be a parabola. या तो A 0 हो या B 0 हो, तो वो इक्वेशन बन जाएगी पैराबोला की. So that is called the parabola. तो ये चार केसेस हम पढ़ेंगे: सर्कल, इलिप्स, हाइपरबोला एंड पैराबोला. सर्कल, इलिप्स, हाइपरबोला एंड पैराबोला. अकरम. What is that one? So today we will do first case, circle. We are doing circle. The standard equation. Standard equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard equation. There are two cases. The first case, we will be given the coordinates of the center and the length of the radius. We will be given the coordinates of the center and length of the radius. anyone may convey the message through the group or personally to Muhammad Mubin. He must write his ID, otherwise he will not be allowed. कोई भी स्टूडेंट इसको ग्रुप में या पर्सनली मैसेज कर दे कि ये अपनी आईडी लिखे मोहम्मद मुबीन, वरना ये इसको अलाउ नहीं करूंगा मैं. ओके, सो दिस इज द ये सर्कल है. यहाँ एक पॉइंट होता है, सी कहलाता है सेंटर. और यहां से यहां तक का लेंथ जो है ये कहलाते हैं रेडियस. Definition of a circle. What is the definition of a circle? Circle is the locus of all the points. ये points. Circle is a locus of all the points which are equidistant from a point, from a fixed point. Circle is the locus of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point. And that fixed point is called center. And equal distances is called the radius. ये जो डिस्टेंस होगा इस पॉइंट का, इस पे जितने भी पॉइंट होंगे उनका यहां से यहां तक फिक्स पॉइंट है ये सेंटर, यहां से यहां तक का डिस्टेंस जो इक्वल होगा, इक्वल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम अ फिक्स पॉइंट. ये इक्वल डिस्टेंस क्या कहलाएंगे? सब डिस्टेंसेस इक्वल होंगे. ये क्या कहलाएगा? रेडियस. ये क्या कहलाएगा? रेडियस. तो circle is a locus of all the points which are equidistant from a fixed point, which are equidistant from a fixed point. That fixed point is called center. That fixed point is called center. And that equal distances are called radius. इस तमाम पॉइंट्स का इससे जो डिस्टेंस है, इक्वल डिस्टेंसेस है, ये क्या कहलाता है? रेडियस. और ये पॉइंट जो है फिक्स पॉइंट, ये कहलाता है सेंटर. मोहम्मद मुबीन. उसके बाद so that equidistance is called the radius. This is the standard equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. सबसे पहले हम ये करेंगे, हमारे पास दो केसेस हैं. फर्स्ट केस, हमारे पास दो केसेस हैं. फर्स्ट केस, वी विल बी गिवन द सेंटर एंड द रेडियस. सेंटर रेडियस हमें गिवन होंगे और हमें इक्वेशन बनानी होगी. सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट केस. और दूसरा उसका उलट होगा, यानी इक्वेशन गिवन होगी, हमें सेंटर और रेडियस मालूम करने होंगे. सेंटर और रेडियस हमें मालूम करने होंगे. Okay. So first case, when the center and radius are given, formation of equation when center x1 y1 are given and radius r are given. When center x1 y1 and radius r are given, ये दो चीजें हमें given होंगी and we have to find the equation. Okay. So how to find the equation? We will use this formula. X minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square is equal to r square. This is the formula when the center and radius are given and we are asked to find the equation. When the center and radius are given, the coordinates of the center and radius are given, and we are asked to find the equation. So we will use this formula: x minus x coordinate of the center whole square plus y minus y coordinate of the center whole square is equal to r square. So this is the formula. This is the formula how to use, how to form the equation. Formation of the equation: x minus x coordinate of the center whole square plus y minus y coordinate of the center whole square is equal to the square of the radius, whatever be the value of the radius. This is the formula for the equation. Now we will do some question. We will do some question. Exercise, I think 19.2.
Excuse me, sir.
जी,
Assalamualaikum. Sir, please tell me about mark my attendance.
क्या कह रही हैं आप?
Sir, please tell me about mark my attendance.
बेटा सबके अटेंडेंस जो क्लास में है उनकी मार्क हो गई है। ये बार बार मैं रिपीट करता हूँ ये मैसेज के भाई जो क्लास में है वो उनकी अटेंडेंस मार्क हो गई। फिर वही अटेंडेंस क्या अटेंडेंस जरूरी है या पढ़ना जरूरी है? ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ आप वो अटेंडेंस लगवाने आते हैं, पढ़ने के लिए नहीं आते। बार बार एक चीज कहता हूं कि भाई अटेंडेंस हो गई है, अटेंडेंस हो गई है, लेकिन फिर वही बात, अटेंडेंस अटेंडेंस अटेंडेंस।
Already solved.
Exercise 19.7. Exercise 19.7. Center at the origin and radius is 5. Center at the origin and radius is 5. Exercise 19.7. Page 100, 584. Page 584. Exercise 19.7. Page 584.